Setting up VPN access on a Windows network and handed a CVP file by IT. This is a connection manager profile for deploying VPN configurations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use these connection profiles. Pro tip: for CVP files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. A configuration profile created by the Microsoft Connection Manager Administration. Kit, CMAK, a component of Windows. System administrators create CVP files to package and distribute pre-configured remote connection settings, like VPN or dial-up, to users, simplifying the setup process for corporate network access. The CVP file is a component of a larger self-installing package, not .exe. It contains settings like phone numbers, server addresses, and authentication protocols in a proprietary format. This design is intended to create a tamper-resistant, easy-to-deploy executable that automates network configuration on a user's machine. For reliable opening, Microsoft Connection Manager Administration Kit by Microsoft Corporation offers the best solution for CVP. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows can display config data, though correct use depends heavily on understanding the format. We are testing every installed file handler. Right-click your CVP file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Connection Manager Administration Kit first. If it fails, select another application. The correct reader is in that list. When your CVP file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Your system failed to open the CVP file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, installing the profile. Double-click the CVP file or its companion installer .exe to launch the Connection Manager Profile Installation Wizard. Windows registers the new connection in Network Connections and creates a desktop shortcut for launching the configured VPN connection. Next, connecting to the network. Open Network Connections in Windows, or use the Settings VPN panel and select the installed profile to initiate the connection. Enter your username and password when prompted to authenticate against the corporate VPN server using the profile's authentication settings. Finally, editing profile configuration. Use the Connection Manager Administration Kit on Windows Server to modify CVP profiles. The tool provides a wizard for updating server addresses, authentication methods, and branding, before regenerating the deployment package for distribution to client workstations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.